I can't find anyone to kill. Hello. Oh, I got two.
What though?
Oh no. Oh dear, I thought it was 12. Okay.
Oh, why? No! Don't worry, guys. Yeah, I may be
Look at this pro Lucio gameplay.
Can Lucio do this though?
Can I do what?
Look at that. Can Lucio?
That is sexy.
Can Lucio do this?
But does Torb have his own cereal?
Yeah,
That's the point.
but does Lucio do this?
No, he does this. He does a backflip.
I don't like this.
And then listens to music.
Yeah, but do you have a
I don't like this standing around. No.
Do you have a hammer? Exactly. I'm gonna beat you.
No. Oh.
Wait.
I've been a
Do
naughty
either
boy.
of you-
Turn around.
Do either of
Freddy,
you have the
stand
ass?
still. Stand still. Oh wait, where's the ass? Wait. Stand still. No. Widow, stand still. Widow, come back. Widow,
No,
Widow.
I'm away.
Guys, we have two
Widow,
Torb.
away.
I just wanted to
We
hit
have
your
two
ass with my
Torb.
hammer. I said that really loudly. I shouldn't have said that.
Where are they? They've got
not
Sombra
sure.
coming your way, Torb. There's Sombra.
They have two mains.
Oh, I've got my hammer out. Ah!
Oh no.
I had my hammer out. That wasn't a good idea.
Let's
I don't
go.
think I've fired a single shot yet.
Oh no.
We're spamming X and 7% weapon accuracy, and I'm
No.
dead.
No, I'm May.
I was a playmaker. Jesus, that Anna. If that Anna kills our diva, I will be very disappointed. Oh my god, that Anna is carrying.
Fucking doing shit.
Wait, hang on. James, where are you? Widowmakers must unite. Oh, there you are. Wait, why are you over there?
Because I fell off the balcony. You know, I'm just here now.
But
I
I'm on
hit
health.
her
Oh,
in
no,
the
no.
head. I hit her in the head. That was absolutely right.
That actually scared. That actually scared. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Whew. Why are you guys getting heroes
Yeah,
you can play?
I'm not.
As soon as you say that. Yeah, but Ollie, you got Sombra.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Why are you guys getting heroes you can play?
I mean, you've said about 4 times.
I
that
mean,
you
I was doing shit as like Widow, like actually trash. Like the one in that May was the only one that I actually hit, and
I swear to God, if it wasn't for bobblehead animations, I would have hit that May in the head when you were freezing her, Ollie.
I hit that. Me.
Why did I do that? Why did I do
I-
that? Why did I do 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 that? I'm dead.
I'm not sure. Why did you do that?
Why
How
did
does that like
well,
even like?
I mean, I didn't know they were there. I just came from outside, like indoors, and they were all there. So,
Oh, Junkrat's 1 on top.
The true enemy of humanity
Guys.
is disorder.
I like playing a defense series on attack. Torb and now Cement. You've got a soldier. You've got a
Dude,
soldier.
I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. I
Fuck.
can't
I have
even
one. I have one limb.
I've
I've also got one on. Don't feel bad. It's fine.
I've got 2 now, so come at me.
Oh, well shit.
Yeah, and I got it a Sorb. Sorb. I called her Sorb. Symmetra. Oh.
She might as well be tall.
Oh my gosh, kill myself. Ah!
At least now you can boost your Torb stats. Look on the plus side, Ollie. Please
Oh
don't
my
kill me.
gosh, I'm
Okay,
on.
good. Drugs? Yes.
I don't know what to do.
I think Torb is a drug now. If you like.
I literally
can just
got
imagine
like
someone
almost
who's-
killed as Mercy whilst invisible.
I just threw an armor pack at an old King Soldier, hoping it would confuse him.
See, if only that worked.
Yes, yes,
you
okay.
could-
Commence attack on objective B.
As to what? Hello, James. How are you?
Hello. I want to die.
Aha.
That makes sense.
Let's go in, boys. Let's do aggressive pushes.
Oh!
Oh, there's a Symmetra underneath. Oh dear. Ollie, you just witnessed that.
I am a witness to anal raping.
I EMP'd a lot of them now.
Fuck. Oh my god.
Oh no, there's a Zen behind.
I just
I did it.
teleported! That's not fair!
Well, I'm liking this. Oh, I'm liking this game. Oh no, I got Anna again.
Freddy, I got a widow.
Yeah.
Junkrats never die. Junkrats never die.
How is he getting so much healing from the Zen?
What the hell, Zen?
What? Oh, I'm Winston now. I like this. Ugh. Oh, my controller's charged back up again.
Freddy,
Hello.
look who I am.
Thing is though, is we can set a Torb Symmetra up on the top.
No, but that's the
Can we,
third time this game. That's the third time this game.
It's fate. It's
What?
fate, Ollie.
Jeff wants me to become
You-
a Torb main.
You and Torb. Yeah.
And my
Everyone-
Baron just gets destroyed instantly.
Yeah.
Like, it does not stand a chance. Like, look at this.
If somebody has like Tracer or Sombra, just go around the bottom left. Because they're all in the top. Or I'm Doofus. Alternatively,
They're behind me. Okay, you've got two. You two have got people you're good at. I haven't. I don't like Junkrat. Oh my tree, great.
Yeah, but like, I don't want to play the Widowmaker on like against these people.
Yeah, but at least you're good at her. I don't want to play Doomfist against these people, and yet I still get
What?
it.
How did that not hit? That didn't. What?
Oh god, what? I'm just gonna back right out of that. Get out of there, please God.
Get on
This
the
is
point.
retarded.
Get on the point.
Please, I got
Get
the
on
bastion.
the point. I'm dead.
I got
We
the
can't get on the
bastion.
point.
Yes, we
It's
can.
just too much damage.
Oh god.
It's
I
just
went
too
10
much
and-
damage.
I went 10 and 11, I'm proud of that.
I went 6 and 12.
Jesus Christ.
But you realise? Oh wait, yeah, Ollie's K to D was so low. That's because I was playing Torbjorn for. I was playing. No. Listen to this. I was playing Torbjorn for a quarter of the time. I died 12
Oh
times.
my God.
I got a Torbjorn 3 times.
Jesus Christ. Let's just leave. Let's just forget this game ever happened. Okay, they got a Sombra.
They have an Orisa.
They have a... They do.
Yay! Take
Sorry.
me.
They have a comp. They have a team comp. Let's get that.
That they do.
Let's get that Moira. Oh
They have
god,
a
they got
counter one as well.
They do.
Oh my.
Try to hack me.
Guys, can we just leave? Look at these heroes I'm getting. What is this?
Oh shit.
It's trying to hack me.
Watch Freddy go like Genji or something really good. And I've got Symmetra and Doomfist.
I've got Winston. No.
Winston's good.
No. How am I going to run Winston into this though?
Yeah, you're
The
missing
answer
out.
is I'm not.
Kill me!
Yeah, the answer is I'm not.
Kill me, please.
Die. I didn't actually die. No!
Everything can be hacked.
I've got.
He's one health. I had him
I've got
backed into a
some-
corner and he got
I've got-
bubbled like a
I've got
cunt.
some-
Oh no.
I watched that happen as well. I watched it happen.
Look at our heroes, Sombra, Torb and Hanzo. What? Oh. I'm against a Genji. And a Moira. Look at this. Oh my god.
I've got one a limb and that's gold. How?
I'm 0 and 3.
I'm 1 and 2.
I'm one and one.
Oh my god. Oh, I got Anna. This is great.
Hello, Genji prisoner. No, Gengo. Don't do this.
Hang on, James. James, let me help you with this. That's not good, James. No, not what I wanted to do. I'm almost dead. So I'm going to accept my death at 69% instant accuracy. And just...
Get that Reinhardt out of position.
Rip.
Much better.
Diva. Oh, I'm dead. Rest in all of the pieces.
And securing the objective.
I just stroked the arm of my sofa, expecting my phone to be there. Oh, I'm Zarya. That'll be nice.
Oh,
if I
that
get
Reinhardt solo, honestly. Oh god, he's solo.
I got one tick! I got one tick! Yay! That was pretty much all me.
Taking the objective.
That was only because I was sat up here, like that. I like up here. Capturing. Did you know that this was capturing? Oh god.
If you can get this.
No. I blocked 0 damage.
Let's go Torb and Doomfist.
Oh no. Wait, hang on. Oh, boys.
You actually got someone that's good.
Yes, so did you, Ollie.
Shut
Come on, we
up.
just need to scoop up.
I'm not in your speed boost.
I got I need to heal.
Let's just get this soldier. He deserves that.
Oh right, so I just got solo water by far, because you know,
I got a double kill.
Why
What are
not?
you guys doing with your life?
yeah boy, we did it.
Oh, by the power of my Orisa, I'm blocking over 1,000 damage.
That's like one shield.
Oh my god. Yo, but it just got a little bit destroyed.
Oh, she tried.
Oh, nice Ollie.
It was a fan the hammer stun. It was a stun fan the hammer. It wasn't exactly difficult.
And the fammer.
Hand the fammer. Yeah.
Oh.
How do you get soldier? Who do I get? Mercy. Mercy.
Over you.
Mercy.
Mercy.
You needed a doctor?
You can't even fall off the map and like
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
James, would you like to swap with Ollie? Or Ollie, would you like to swap with James?
I would. I would
we have
very
two
much
soldiers.
like to.
Oh my lord, I'm 72 health. Okay. Oh my god, look at this comp. Look at this, guys, look at this comp. This is undiveable.
I have some
You
correct
cannot
abilities.
possibly dive this. Oh, this is behind. Rest in pieces.
Bastion killed me. Please, can you just give me a hero I'm good at? Game, please.
No.
Yes!
No, you don't
Yes!
have
Oh, just as we win. Just as we win. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. I thought we had won, so I just decided to jump off the map. But I flew back on.
Yeah, that's never a good idea. No. No, I was on fire. I had my ult again. I had my ult.
He's even on the point.
Oh, I'm Diva. I want to die.
Diva's
That was
great.
me.
Yes.
I'm now 19 and 7. That was me. God damn it.
25 to
Watch
4.
me- Watch me not get play the game. Oh, you coon.
He's better than
You
you,
actual
so shut up.
But I got like yeah, I just love the rhyme. Oh right, fair enough.
Yeah, exactly.
I didn't see that in the kill feed, so I didn't.
I got one goal. That
Boys,
was
leave.
objective
Let's leave. Let's.
Yes,
leave.
can we leave so I can equip my beautiful McCree skin?